For everyone doing this at home right now, please let me explain what's actually happening to your spine. That satisfying pop sound, that's gas releasing from your spinal joints. Feels amazing for about 20 minutes. Here's the problem. When an untrained person applies random force to your spine, they have zero idea which joints need movement and which ones are already unstable. You're not adjusting the joints that need it. You're forcing movement into already hypermobile segments that need stability, not more movement. That temporary relief you feel, your spine is just releasing pressure it built up because something isn't moving correctly. The crack isn't the fix, it's a sign something needs proper attention. Follow for more spinal health that actually makes sense.